Hey, what's up, guys? I just ordered this AC and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing so you can see how it comes. So just a quick look around the box here. Then we'll open it up so you can see how it's packaged. Instead of taking it out of the top, I'm just going to open it up at the bottom down here so it's easier to pull out, I think. Grab my knife. Okay. So I'm going to slide it out of here. So you can see it has already coming out. It has these corner supports on it to keep it safe. It's kind of holding it in there. So I'm going to pull those off. You cut the strap on here. So packed in the side of the box is this exhaust kit, or part of the exhaust kit. Okay, another strap here. And up top, we have the rest of the exhaust kit and cord. So in the exhaust kit, we have, this is a drain tube for the condensation. Your instruction manual with remote and batteries. So it's cool to know it comes with batteries and a little bit of hardware that we'll use with this kit. Cord wrapped up. Oh, and this here looks like a guard. We'll see exactly where it fits, but it has that. I'm gonna see how long this cord actually is. It is a heavy duty cord. So you can see it is a 3-prong. So you have your 2 prongs plus ground, and then your kind of a GFI reset plug. So that's a good thing. This unit is, I saw on the box, a UL listed. So here's the rest of the exhaust duct kit. So I guess the, not quite the rest, because there has to be another piece. Okay, here we go. Here's the rest of the exhaust duct here. So that's the piece that is going to attach to the window slide thing. Just some foam packaging. And this is going to be the piece that attaches to the back of the AC unit. Or this way, attached to the AC unit. And here is the AC. Obviously you can see it still has this base part of the box here. Don't need to necessarily take that off yet. And then it has these louvers. So that's it for the unboxing. I'll do another setup and show you guys about the unit itself, how it works. That's it for now. Thanks.